guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I just filmed my grocery haul video. Now I'm about to clean out this fridge because I need to put all these groceries away. I need to get dinner started tonight, and I need to do baby Drew's head, which looks a mess right now. So it got really messed up from the water park and I have not done anything to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean, and I don't think this chicken is any
I don't think it is either. Just throw it away because it really stinks.
It does kind of stink. Yeah, we're gonna throw it away.
Can I help you?
Yes.
Throw
No,
this
no,
away?
no. That's, no, we're not gonna throw that away.
Keep that.
Yeah.
Throw away this. Meat that's been in there for years.
Yeah, go ahead and take that out.
Damn it, raw.
Okay.
So I haven't been in there for
Oh, good thing I didn't buy any more eggs because we still have eggs in here that are good until the 13th. Awesome.
Oh, wait, it's meat? No more.
It's empty?
Yeah.
Oh, there's 2 things of chicken in here that Daddy left.
Keep this and throw it away.
Throw it away. I got a new one. Yes, all the fruits and vegetables down at the bottom you can throw away.
Okay.
Is this chicken noodle soup any good? 10-14. Okay, so this is good until 10-14, which is good. This is the chicken noodle soup that I got at Walmart. So good if you have not tried it.
Okay, so
That's going in the trash too.
Yeah, that though. Dang, this is cold. It's staying on. Oh my gosh.
So I always clean out the fridge every time I go to the grocery store. Make sure everything is wiped down clean, so when we put new groceries in, we're not putting new groceries over old crusty food. I just do a quick wipe down. I don't normally deep clean it, but it does look like it's in need for a deep clean here soon. But I will deep clean it maybe later this week, maybe next week. So yeah, let's go ahead and wipe this down, and then I'm gonna put the groceries in there. Y'all, we have garlic bread right here and a whole box of breadsticks. I did not need to buy that. All right, so I got the chicken in the oven. I have the timer set for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it, cook it for another 30 minutes, and then probably flip it again and cook it for like maybe another 20-30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the cabbage. So I need to fry up some bacon on the stove because the bacon grease is what I'm gonna use to cook the cabbage with. So that's what I'm about to go ahead and do right now. And then I'm about to get these dishes done that's in the sink because I need to wash baby Drew's hair in the sink today. And she's going upstairs to get the shampoo and conditioner right now for me. And then I'm also gonna make some chicken and broccoli rice with this meal. So let's go ahead and fry up this bacon. All right, I have all the bacon fried up. I have the grease in the pan, and I'm got all my cabbage chopped. Now I'm just gonna throw the cabbage right in there like that. Last time I was able to fit this whole cabbage in there. We'll see if I can do it again.
I think you lettuce out the bowl.
That's cabbage.
Yeah, I like lettuce.
Alright, I'm just gonna do this much.
Throw some cabbage on the ground.
Now I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back, stir it up, and then add the seasonings to it. And then once it's like completely done, I'll chop up the bacon and add the bacon to it. All right, her hair is no longer a matted mess. Got it all nice and detangled. Ooh.
To take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think it was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it and smile. Still wanna try to believe in good days. Always inside, to be in my mind. Help me on my fears, my never since I disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep from losing the rest of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think it was holding me. To the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arms.
so the cabbage is basically done. I did put 1 pack of this and some salt and pepper in there. Now I'm just gonna throw the chopped bacon on top. Mix that in. All right, now the cabbage is done. It smells so good too. The chicken, I'm about to go ahead and flip the chicken because the timer still has 4 more minutes. So it's been in there for almost an hour. All right, got the hot wing sauce. We're gonna add some honey. A lot of honey. I got the rice cooking right now. The rice will be done here in a couple minutes. Cabbage is done. Chicken is done. It's currently 7:06. We're getting a late start to dinner. We usually don't eat this late.
Yeah,
but y'all know I had to go grocery shopping. I had to do that haul. I had to put it away. I had to do baby Drew's hair. It was a lot. I like it better with the wing sauce and the hot sauce.
I need to speak up the stuff out on the brush. There's a little bit more, but it's very little. You need to do it for this one. It's like 5 over. Maybe not 5 over. 5 of them. I'm gonna be like, ooh, that look good, and get that for dinner.
All right.
So copy what you make.
They're coated. All right, I'm about to taste me a piece of chicken because one of them kind of like ripped apart as I was taking it off.
That's good?
It just fall off the bone. Want these?
Yeah.
Someone?
You only got 4 braids.
We're still working on your hair.
You only got 4. That's gonna take forever.
Waiting for the rice to get done, and then everyone can come down and eat.
Especially me, because I'm starving.
All right, here is dinner. I'm gonna put mine in the microwave or cover it up until I'm done with Drew's hair, and then I will sit down and enjoy my meal once I'm done with everything. Looks delicious. All right, here's her hair all done. Turn. I got lazy with the front, so we just did 2 ponytails with 2 braids in the front. Like this. I got lazy. But use my oils and my hair cream, y'all. It will make your hair shiny and healthy. Your hair was so easy to manage and to comb through. Now it's super soft and shiny. It looks so good. Ready for school tomorrow.
Yeah!
All right, I'm in some comfy clothes. I'm about to eat my dinner. Baby Drew's hair is done. So glad. Ooh, that took so long. Cooking, grocery shopping, doing hair. It was a busy Sunday today. But we got it done. So I'm about to enjoy my food. It's still warm.
And eat Oreos.
And she's eating some Oreos for her late night, well, not late night snack, but for her nightly snack. We also have some squirt. I think I'm gonna pour me a glass of this. Once I'm done eating, maybe in like an hour or 2 hours, I'm gonna have some wine. And then that's gonna be the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next one.
Bye! Eat a lot of Oreos. Peace!